Global refugee crises stretched the resources of our asylum system and made enforcement efforts more complex. Some would argue that climate change has emerged as a new driver of migration, with natural disasters and long-term environmental changes displacing populations and spurring movement across borders. Political polarization and gridlock have perhaps been the most significant obstacles to addressing these mounting issues. Multiple attempts at comprehensive immigration reform in 2006, 2007, and 2013 failed due to deep political divisions. As immigration became an increasingly contentious and emotionally charged political issue, finding common ground for practical solutions became ever more elusive. The rise of sanctuary cities and states added another layer of complexity, creating tension between federal immigration enforcement priorities and local law enforcement concerns. This patchwork of policies further undermined the consistency and effectiveness of our immigration enforcement efforts. Legal and constitutional constraints have also played a role in our loss of control. The interpretation of the 14th Amendment granting birthright citizenship has been a contentious issue in addressing unauthorized immigration. Court decisions expanding due process protections for immigrants have limited the government's ability to quickly deport individuals, leading to lengthy and resource-intensive legal processes. The cumulative effect of these factors, legislative missteps, economic forces, global events, technological limitations, political paralysis, and legal constraints has been a perfect storm that has overwhelmed our immigration system. Each challenge alone would have been difficult to address. Together, they have created a crisis that has proven resistant to quick fixes or partial solutions. As we stand today, looking at a system that seems to be spiraling further out of control, it's clear that regaining that control will require a comprehensive approach. We must learn from the unintended consequences of past policies, address the economic realities driving migration, account for global trends, including the belief that climate change is a factor, and create a flexible system that can adapt to changing circumstances. Most importantly, we must find a way to bridge the political divide and build consensus for meaningful, effective reform. The path forward will not be easy, but understanding how we lost control is the first step toward regaining it. Only by addressing the root causes and systemic issues can we hope to create an immigration system that serves our national interests while upholding our values as a nation of immigrants.